Making the most of reduced relative clauses with passive verbs. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of reduced relative clauses, specifically focusing on how to reduce relative clauses with passive verbs. This technique can help make your sentences more concise and your English more fluent. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the main topic, let's do a quick recap of relative clauses. These are clauses that add extra information to a sentence. They often start with relative pronouns like who, which, that, and others. For instance, the man who is wearing a blue shirt is my uncle. Reduced relative clauses are a type of relative clause that doesn't use pronouns or helping verbs. Instead, they use participles, either present or past. Let's look at an example. The regular relative clause, the documents that are needed are on the table, can be reduced to the documents needed are on the table. Now, let's tackle our main topic. Reducing relative clauses with passive verbs is a technique that involves replacing the relative pronoun and passive verb with a past participle. Consider this sentence: "The book that was written by Orwell is a classic." We can reduce this relative clause to make the sentence smoother. The book written by Orwell is a classic. Now, it's your turn to try. Let's practice together. 1. The artwork that is admired by many is in the Louvre. Answer: the artwork admired by many is in the Louvre. 2. The girl who was selected as the captain leads the team. Answer: the girl selected as the captain leads the team. 3. The fruits that were eaten by the children were apples. Answer: the fruits eaten by the children were apples. And there we have it. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep working with these reduced relative clauses until they feel natural. Don't worry if it doesn't click immediately. With practice, it will. Thank you for watching and happy learning. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I'll see you in our next video.